Welcome to our Buen Paella channel. I'm Jay, and today we're cooking the famous seafood paella. The ingredients for the seafood paella of today are paella rice, chopped tomatoes, octopus, squid, shrimp, and the usual paella ingredients such as paprika, paella mix, and saffron. Also, we'll be adding a special seafood and rockfish stock. So, let's start making the seafood paella. First, let's cook our octopus legs. iWantPaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So, don't miss out and come visit us at iWantPaella.eu. If you like this video and videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Let's take out those octopus legs. Let's add some squid. Let's add a bit of mixed seafood. There we go. Let's add our tomatoes. There we go. Let's add a bit of paprika. Let's add the powdered saffron. Let's mix it up a bit. Let's add 300 grams of paella rice because we're making 3 portions. Let's mix it up a bit. Let's add 900 milliliters of rockfish stock. Let's add our paella mix. And let's add some of our fresh clams. There we go. This gives extra flavor. Just to let you know, we have the paella burners, the paella pans, all the paella ingredients, and a lot more at a store at iWantPaella.eu. Let's reduce our paella burner down to 50%. Something like that. And let's bring back our octopus. Let's dry the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Okay, that rice is around 40%, so we have a long way to go. Let's add some shrimp. Let's add some peeled shrimp. Let's add the rest of the paella stock that we have available at iwantpaella.eu. Okay. Let's turn the shrimp over so they cook on the other side as well. There you go, much better. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Up here, for instance. Okay, that rice is around 60%, so we have a bit to go. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay guys, that rice is 80-85% cooked, so at this point we're gonna turn off the paella burner. And let's give it the last shake. Okay guys, here we have our new and improved seafood paella. I'm gonna serve it on our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, it's time to serve our seafood paella portion. Clams, octopus, shrimp, some peeled shrimp as well. There you have it, a proper plate of seafood paella. You can see these recipes and others like this at iwantpaella.eu. Thank you and see you soon.